Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial on how you can customize the GoHighLevel calendar in the most easy way. This is the calendar that I created for one of my client, and you can see the clean look of the calendar. I created a snippet of HTML, and that I will provide you in the description of the video. And let's get started. Here is the calendar that I created for the demo purpose only. And when we open this calendar, this is the default look of GoHighLevel calendar. Let's go to inspect mode, and you can see these attributes of the colors. You just need to copy these attributes. After copying these attributes, just go and paste in a separate section. And I am going to define you what I wrote here. This is the HTML tag for styling, this is the closing for HTML, and here is the star for root element. Star means this is the root element, like these attribute will be used for all over the calendar. And you need to these are the colors that are GoHighLevel using for styling. Let's edit this calendar and go to customization section, and then paste this snippet here, and save this. Here is the code. You can customize using according to your need. Like you can put any color code here, like I am going to put here reddish. For the tutorial purposes, I am going to add these colors, and you can add any colors. Like here is the background that I am also going to use, and border color, like the border color is this, and this pickup. And so these were the colors that I have for agent empowerment branding guides. And I added the blue color, this one, for the this for this, and the background color 0808, and border color the green one, and the light primary color this one, and blur color for and just for these elements, like for buttons, and for light text color. This text color, for this text color I am using this color. And when we will we will put this code again in the calendar. I am going to put this, and let's see what will happen. Here, reload this. Here you go. Our calendar is updated, and I have also created a funnel with the black background to check it out. I embedded the calendar in the funnel, and you can see here is the calendar. You can add a logo in here in the calendar settings, and everything is done. I am going to put this snippet in the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.